If you want to learn about how long does it takes to get into ketosis, keep watching this video till end. If you are new to our channel, so hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more interesting and useful videos. Let's start quickly. If you remain under your optimal net carbohydrates limit, then you should enter ketosis within 2 to 3 days, but it can take up to 7 days. The fastest way to get into ketosis is to exercise on an empty stomach in order to accelerate the depletion of glycogen in your body. You can also do a fat fast for a few days. It means eating more fat to speed up the rate at which you enter ketosis and start to cut out refined carbohydrates like sugar before you go for full ketosis. Another option is to do a water fast. It means only drinking water, which also speeds up getting into ketosis. Ketosis is the main goal of keto. When your body switches to this metabolic state, it starts utilizing ketones instead of glucose for fuel. Being in ketosis comes with the benefits like weight loss, reduced risk of diseases, and mental clarity. The time it takes to enter ketosis varies from one person to the next. You can enter ketosis quicker or later depending on your body composition, diet, and activity levels. However, there are averages and limits you should know about. So in a nutshell, it takes 1 to 3 days to get into ketosis. Switching to fat burning mode is a process that takes many steps to complete. For your body to enter ketosis, it needs to do the following steps. Number 1. Deplete its glycogen. When you stop eating carbohydrates, blood glucose levels drops and your body turns to the liver glycogen to help raise your body blood sugar. Remember that the glycogen is a stored form of glucose. Number 2. Break down fats. Your insulin levels drop in response to low carbohydrates availability. This drop triggers the breakdown of fatty acids as well as their uptake in the liver mitochondria. Number 3. Start making ketones. Within the next few days, your liver will start making ketones to meet your body's growing energy needs. The brain is dependent on the constant influx of fuel, so it will be using up most of the ketones made. This was all for now. If you have any questions, don't forget to write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.